Hello, um, this is going to be a quick video to show you how to get and format the Feldman Fringe three-factor model data. We'll start by Googling or binging whatever Ken French. Come to his primary website here. We're going to go into the data library, and then we're going to click on the Feldman French factors. We don't want the weekly or the daily, this is going to be the monthly data. And it's going to come down as a zip file, so I'm just going to go OK to save it. I'll just drop it on my website here. So it's now downloaded. We can come over to take a look at the data. All we're going to do is extract it. I right click here, go to my 7Z and extract files to here. And it's a text file, so I'm just going to open it up in a standard browser. We have a little bit of formatting to do here. What we're interested in is, you notice I'm just deleting this. We want these top headers. This is 1926, don't need that. Come down here, we're doing 5 years worth of data. So we're going to do it through 2011, just as we have been doing it. So I want 2011 through 12. I'm sorry, it's 2011 data. So we're going to get rid of the 2012 data and come down here and get rid of this is the annual data. We don't need it either. Shift and then just hit the delete key, backspace 1, and then we go up here, 5 years, so that's 2011, 2010, 2011, 2010, 2009, 2008, and 2007. Everything before 2007 we're going to get rid of. Just click here, come up to the top again, and then hold down the shift key and click at the beginning and hit the delete key. Backspace 1, so that's the data that I'm looking for. Just going to go ahead and file, save. Next step, we're going to go ahead and fire up Excel. And we're going to come here to data, and we want from text. And then we'll slide over here to our to my directory. So that's just the Feldman French. Hit import, and it'll line it up for us. I'm just hitting OK, 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 and then it's just going to start right here. So here's our three-factor data that we're interested in. The next thing we need is return data. Again, here we're going to go to the Wharton Research site. Just going to go ahead and log in using mine. We're going to come to the CRISP data set. So that's CRSP. We want the security files, and we want the monthly stock file. And the same stuff, so we want 2007 through 2011. And if you want to do 2012, that's fine. Either way, it's fine. So if you want to do 2008 through 2012, all those are fine. We're going to click on our ticker. Mine is UTX. And simply come down here, and what we're looking for is the holding period return. Click on that one, and I do also want to click on the ticker so that it pulls it in. And that's all we need. And I'm going to pull that into an Excel file and go ahead and hit submit. So now we'll just wait for the data to populate. Shouldn't take too long. we go. Just going to open that with Excel. Taking a second. I think I did it. Open the file with Excel. There we go. So this is the data that we're interested in. We're going to go ahead and enable editing. I'm going to turn off our filters. Change our to no fill and our text to black. So I have the perm number, which is just the identifier for the company. I can go ahead and delete that column. My ticker symbol on the return. Now this is in decimal, so that's 8%. This is minus 3%. So we want this one just to equal this one multiplied by 100. All the Fellman and French information is in actual percentage. Go ahead and drag that equation down. Alright, and our last step, I'm going to name this UTX, and come back to my FAMA data, which I'm going to call FAMA. And then I'm going to right click here and do move copy, click on copy, and the book I'm going to is this crazy one, and I'm going to just dump it at the end. So I've got my document. Now we'll just go ahead and save as and name it something a little bit reasonable and put it on my drive for this is for the WAC calculation. Just name this one WAC and save. Alright, so that's the first step. Once we get all the data together, next step, we'll estimate a regression, and I'll also show you where to get your bond data.